Okay, so let's walk and talk and hear some noise in the background, probably some dogs. And yes, I'm going towards the woods because we're going to take a look at this Camilus or Camillus. If I was a Roman, I would say Camilus. Anyway, this is an axe and a saw in one. It has a really beautiful belt clip right here. The axe is in here and the saw is under here. So you press this here, the saw pops out. But let me just first open this if I can, if that's even possible, because it is a nice clip here that holds it, and one-handed this is not the easiest thing to do. Okay, it is open. Let me take the top off. That's the Camilus axe inside. Let me put this belt clip on my belt. Okay, so right now we have the axe itself as a nice strike back right there. It's really well built, by the way. I actually mean this one. Warning, wear safety goggles, user and bystander. So everybody watching this video, please put your goggles on. We're gonna just test it on a quick bamboo because they're very invasive here actually. So we'll get rid of one bamboo really quick. Whoa, look at that. You can barely touch it and it actually does a good job. So let's see if I can cut this bamboo. Boom. Gone. Just like that, as if it was nothing. Now, let's test an actual branch of one of these invasive things that we have here. I need to cut them anyway, so what better opportunity to test this than right now with this axe? Whoa. I literally that cut it like it was nothing. Boom. Like it was nothing. Wow. Look at that. Camilus really does a good job and the strikes are really clean. Whoa, good job. Impressed. Now it's time to try Camilus with a saw, I guess. And the saw, you have to press here and pull the saw from there. I don't know how I'm gonna do this one, but we'll see really quick. If I can hide this other camera somewhere. Because, you know, being a YouTuber is cute. You're trying to do something, but you have to do it with the camera. Okay, here comes the saw. This is the saw in the Camilus. It's the double teeth saw. Here, as you see it probably on this camera. If it ever focuses. Focus. Oh, come on now. This is double teeth. Really beautiful, actually. Nice build. Let me focus again. I don't think I ever cut anything with this saw, but there's always a first time to cut stuff. So let me cut something there that I see looks promising, but I have to get rid of anyway. So why not try it there? For example, this right here. Oh, this is feisty. Boom. Just like that. And this is wet wood, which is not the best and easiest, but Camilus did the job actually. And it has a really nice angle, by the way. I love the angle because when you grab it, it just feels really good. Wow, I am impressed. Let me try to cut something just a little bit thicker than that because that felt a little bit too easy in my opinion. And let me try to cut something that I need to get rid of anyway. And why not? So what better could be than an invasive piece of wood that I want to get rid of? Like this guy right here. This one must go anyway, because I don't want it in my property. I'm not sure if you can see it, but it cut it clean. Let me just show you on the other camera. Whoa, look at that. Camilus strikes again. This is impressive. And it's not the most expensive tool I have. It's actually probably on the kind of cheapest ones. Let me close it. Yeah, really works good. And yes, I might be out of breath because I had to walk through a lot of brush here. There's no way you can tell where the hell I am. But yeah, it did a really good job. Wow. So I think next time you're thinking of bushcraft, take a look at this little saw and axe in one. This Camilus. Wow. It is actually very impressive. So with that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And hopefully I'll see you another time. Please like and subscribe, and I'll try to find a link if I can find it again for the description below for this Camilus. And I hope you enjoy your bushcrafting. With that said, we'll see you next time. Bye!